Hi guys, today we are uncovering the essential process of notarization, legalization and apostillization and their pivotal roles in pharmaceutical industry. Join us as we explore how these critical steps ensure the authenticity and legal validity of documents vital for navigating the complex global landscape of pharmaceutical regulations. From certifying the authenticity of signatures to validating documents for international markets, these processes are the backbone of the regulatory compliance. Get ready to deep dive into the basics of notarization, legalization and apostillization and discover how they shape the pharmaceutical landscape. Welcome guys, this is Pharma Portal, the pharma you need to know, share and grow. Now let us understand what is authentication and its importance. The process of document authentication in pharmaceuticals has been a part of pharma industry for many years, dating back to the early stages of pharmaceutical regulation. Document authentication refers to the process of verifying the authenticity of a document to ensure its validity and reliability. The process is crucial in pharma where the accuracy and legitimacy of documents are paramount. The different types of authentication methods can include notarization, legalization, apostillization, and other form of authentication depending on country requirements. The goal of document authentication is to provide assurance that the document is genuine, accurate, and legally binding. Now let us see what is notarization. Notarization is a process through which a notary public certifies the authenticity of a document and the signature on it. A notary public is an official authorized by the government to perform such acts. The notary public verifies the identity of the signers and ensures that they are signing the document willingly and with full understanding of its contents. Notarization typically involves the placement of notary public's official seal or stamp on the document and along with their signature and the date of notarization. The primary purpose of notarization is to add a layer of authentication and credibility to the documents. Notarization also helps fraud and forgery as the notary public is responsible for verifying the identity of the signers and ensuring that they are authorized to sign the document. Now let us see some examples. Notarization of regulatory submissions such as drug registration applications, clinical trial protocols, and manufacturing license may need to be notarized and certified for their authenticity. Notarization of contracts such as legal agreements related to pharmaceutical manufacturing, distribution, licensing, or any partnership agreements. Notarization for other legal documents such as patents, intellectual property agreements, and legal notices. Now that you have understand the notarization, now let us see what is legalization. Legalization is the process of authenticating a document for use in a foreign country by obtaining certification from various authorities. The process is necessary when a document is issued in one country needs to be used in other country. The specific requirements for legalization can vary depending on the countries involved and the type of the document being legalized. The primary purpose of legalization is to validate the authenticity of a document for the acceptance in another country's legal system. It ensures that the document meets the legal standards and requirements of the foreign country where it will be used. Legalization helps establish the credibility and validity of the document, making it legally recognized and admissible in the foreign jurisdiction. So now let us see the examples for legalization. Legalization of a product registration document such as marketing authorization applications, product labeling, and quality control certificates may need to be legalized for the acceptance in international markets. Second example is legalization of manufacturing and distribution agreements such as manufacturing contracts and sale certificates. The third example is legalization of certificate of pharmaceutical product and certification of free sale certificates. These certificates needs to be legalized for acceptance in international markets as a part of the product registration process. By now you would have understood what is notarization and what is legalization. Now let us understand what is apostillization. Apostillization is a simplified form of legalization specifically designed for documents issued in the countries that are part of the Hague Apostille Convention. The Hague Apostille Convention is an international treaty that simplifies the process of authenticating the documents for use in foreign countries. Under the Hague Apostille Convention, participating countries agree to recognize a standard form of certification known as apostille, which is applied to the documents to certify the authenticity for use in other member countries. The primary purpose of apostillization is to streamline the process of the document authentication for international use. It eliminates the need for multiple certifications by providing a standardized form of authentication that is recognized by all member countries of the Hague Apostille Convention. Apostillization simplifies and accelerates the process of document authentication, making it easier for the documents to be accepted in foreign countries without the need for additional legalization steps. So examples of apostillization are apostillization of manufacturing license. Documents that need the approval of pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities may need to be apostilled for acceptance in international markets. The second example is apostillization of certificate of pharmaceutical product and certificate of free sale. These certificates may require apostillization to facilitate their acceptance in foreign jurisdiction. By now you would have understood what is notarization, legalization and apostillation. Here is a comparative table of notarization, legalization and apostillation that shows the difference between each other. Pause the video here to understand the differences in this simple format, which shows the different factors such as purpose, example, requirements and the applicable countries, complexity and time and cost that you need to take in consideration before choosing the approach, and which authentication process that you need to select for your document. I believe now you have an overview and a clear-cut understanding of notarization, legalization and apostillization. Hope you learned some new information from this video. Comment the topics that you'd like to know more in detail, and I will make a separate video that has more likes. Encourage us by hitting the like button and share this video to your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe and hit the bell button to receive notifications from our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.